Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make UGC videos using AI. First, go to topview.ai. Click on Add Image, then choose the image of your product and click Apply. Now write a prompt describing how you want your video to be. I'll type a simple prompt just for this tutorial and then hit Enter. A window will pop up asking you to sign up. Click Sign Up and choose the method you prefer. Continue with Google, Apple, or enter your email. I'll use Google for this example. After that, the AI will start thinking. When you see Please provide your answers, scroll up and choose the options you want. For now, I'll select these ones. Then click Confirm. The AI will think again. Once it finishes writing, click I confirmed. Now it will start generating the video. This part may take a few minutes. And voila, the video is generated. Let's check it out.
I am so obsessed with these new sunglasses I just got. The geometric shape is so unique, and look at this blue-purple reflection. They're super stylish and perfect for any sunny day, whether I'm walking around the city or just chilling. You need these.
As you saw, it looks perfect, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified about new videos.